Hey guys, it's Jyoti. Today I'm going to do a video on what's in my college bag. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the essentials which I think you should carry when you go out. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So this bag is from Cath Kidston. This is a cute tiny bag. It's a brand from the UK. The first thing which is important for everybody to carry is your wallet. You always need to carry your wallet. I don't know, I just have this habit of carrying some cash with me no matter what. There has been some instances when neither Google Pay nor Paytm has worked. This wallet is from Miniso. Such a cute little tiny baby pink wallet. Some hair ties. You should always carry some hair ties with you. I also have some band-aids right here because I always end up getting shoe bites. So I always need to carry a band-aid. My house keys. No matter what, I never step out the house without sanitary napkins. I always carry 2 sanitary napkins because in case somebody else needs it, so you give it to them. You should always have one for yourself because even you might need it the same day. That is why I always carry 2 sanitary napkins, so that if I give one to the other person, I have one for myself always. Some wet wipes. If you want to wash your hands and if there's no water, you can rely on these. You can use this to wipe your hands or wipe your face, and just to freshen up. Sanitizer, very important. My iCard, a tiny comb for people who have long hair like me. Comb is very necessary. It's the savior. This one is from Vega. Hand cream. Hand cream is so important. This won't be important for everybody, but for me it's very important because my hands are Sahara desert dry. I always need to keep them hydrated or moisturized. I have this, I don't know if I can call it OCD or not, but I cannot stand dry hands. Even if I see someone with dry hands, I feel disturbed. My hand cream always stays on my bed as well. After every hand wash, I need to apply hand cream. This one is from Body Shop. I do not like this flavor. I'm just waiting for this to finish so that I can start using another one. This one is in the flavor Moringa. I do not like its smell at all. I don't know. It's too flowery for me. The next item is a lip balm because it is very important to keep your lips nourished and moisturized, and a bit of color can never harm anybody. Power bank, so that you don't go hunting for power sockets or chargers. You just keep this in your bag and you're good to go. My notebook and pencil pouch. This one is also from Miniso. As I wear lenses, my eyes can be dry very often. I always keep hydrating eye drops which can be used on the lenses directly. Mouth fresheners, savior. I do not like the chewing gums. If you're in a meeting or if you're attending a class, chewing gum is not appropriate first of all while you're talking to someone or while you're attending a lecture. This one is double mint, sugar free. The best part is you do not have to spit it out like regular chewing gums. It's a tablet. It makes you feel instantly fresh. My lens case and lens solution, I always make sure to keep them in my bag because you never know. Whenever you wear lenses, sometimes you can feel itchy, your eyes can turn watery, and you might need to remove the lenses. Once my eyes were red, I felt itchy like anything, and I had forgotten my lens case at home. It was a nightmare. Please do not forget lens case and lens solution if you wear lenses. My earphones, for obvious reasons. I also carry a coal with me because I might directly go to a party from college, or I might bunk a lecture and go to a party. For touch-ups, you need this compact. If you need to touch up I have a dry skin type majorly, but in summer sometimes my skin can feel oily, so that is why sometimes I carry a compact. I also make sure to carry my all-time favorite nude lipstick with me because it goes with everything, so I always keep one in my bag. If I'm going for a meeting, I just apply this. I carry one of this and one dark shade, one nude shade and one dark shade, so depends on my mood or the occasion. If I'm going for a party, I'll go for the dark one. If I'm just feeling like wearing a nude shade, I go for this one. Some tissues. I also carry a pepper spray. If you travel alone, you need this. Every girl out there needs this. Don't take a risk. Always keep a pepper spray with you. I also carry a pocket perfume which I don't have with me right now. These are some of the basic essentials which I carry with myself no matter what. Not only to college, whenever I'm traveling for long hours, I need to carry all this. So that's pretty much it for today's video, and that's what I carry when I travel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from this channel.